dependency on that resource. So in a page that serves any kind of dynamic call to these functions from F#, you will always automatically include the Facebook API. WebSharper will do that for you. All right. So here's a resource. Here's a class definition. I say, well, I have some kind of arguments, class, which has two members, and they are, one of them is a string, the other one is an element type, and so on and so on. Here's one that allows you to define optional members. I have some initialization options class that has nothing as a required part, but actually has several parts that are optional with types and so on and so on. So you basically, in a type-safe manner, this is F# code, so it's strongly typed and statically checked. So if you make a mistake, the compiler will tell you before you can compile this. So when you have transcribed your Facebook API into this format, it takes a little bit of getting used to, but not too much. You have a type-safe way of defining what the Facebook API is. In fact, let me just show you that.
You're basically publishing APIs for Facebook, Twitter.
Yes, when we talk about our extensions. So we have dozens of extensions to different things like Google Maps, some funky visualization library, Facebook API, jQuery mobile, and so on and so on. And they all look like this. And you can see that this one, for the example, is 97 lines. And here's the main part. And here's the FB class. And FB class, like I'm giving you here, has these functions. And now in turn, when I'm actually looking at my application, I can use those functions. Here's FBInt. It actually is the key. Don't look at that. And then here's, for example, getting your login.